All right, guys, so here we are on the wheel shield in on the Corvette Creationz wide body kit. And as you can see, this is the gap. This is the biggest part up here at the top, you know, about 2 inches, but the gap is there all the way around. So the original quarter obviously would be to right here. This is how much further it sticks out. So we have to cut a piece that's going to take up that spot right there. And then, you know, go from here all the way to the other side. So that's what it looks like. And I have this piece of plastic, ABS plastic sheet, 1/8 inch textured, and I use the textured side to have it be the side that you look at. So there is a mark that I did from the other side traced out. I'm going to cut this with cutoff wheel, and then I'm going to grind the edges to clean everything up. So I'm going to cut that, and then I'll show you how it fits and how to install it in there. This is what we need to cut out right here. This piece, the long side, is going to go against the quarter panel lip, and then this is going to go inside, and we're going to drill a couple holes in a couple spots, put some Christmas tree clips in there, and get that secured. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like before I put the wheel and tire on. I will put all the links for everything in the description if you guys are looking for the same sort of thing. So when this is tight, I'm going to pull this back, but when this is tight, it'll make the gap like that. Hopefully it's not too dark, you guys can see this. But yeah, we'll drill some holes, put that in, and then that'll be where it needs to go. All right, simple as that. Christmas tree clips. I use the 6mm ones. I'm gonna, like I said, leave that link in the description. You can't screw anything up here because that's where the gap is, but it sits nice and flush right there. Same thing on this side. Couple Christmas tree clips. It fits really good, looks fine. You know, no issues with it. I think that'll do pretty good. And so now this wheel is ready to go on, and almost get this thing done.